Hello everyone, today I am going to show you a graphic design idea for poster design. Create a new file as per your requirement. Now I am going to place an image for which I am going to use in this design. Press Ctrl D to transform and set the size as per your requirement. Now we have to adjust the image so we can add our text on the right side. Now select the text tool. I'm using the font Micro Technic. Write anything you want that should be placed on the image. So I have placed the game, word game, so it's related to Squid Game. Now adjust the text on the right side of the screen as I think this is okay. So little bit more, and I have to enlarge the image so our image will show under the text. Okay, I think it's fine. Now duplicate the photo picture layer and place above the text layer. Okay, now we should duplicate the text layer as well and place on the top. Create clipping mask by holding Alt key and click between both layers. Add layer mask on the below image. So I'm going to make selection tool and select the area which I don't want in this image. I want to delete from the right side. So now click on the mask tool and fill with black color, so area has been deleted. Now I'm going top text layer and go to blending options. I have to reduce the fill opacity of this text to 0%, like 0%, and add some stroke. Make the position to the center and size to around 10 to 12 pixels. 10, 12, okay, 12 is okay. Hit OK, and now I'm going to place the logo of Squid Game, or you can type any text here. Now place the layer to the top of all the layers. Now press Ctrl D to transform and make it vertical, and adjust the size according to the area. I think it's okay. Now I'm going to add some drop shadow to make the layer visible. Now press OK. Now I'm going to add some more text. I'm going to adjust the size. It's okay. Now I'm going to select the font. You can select any handwritten or curved font. I am selecting Hello font and adding play or die here. Okay, and you can add any text you want. Select the color to white. I think it's selected as bold. The font is bold. Go to the character options and remove bold. Okay, now we are going to add some drop shadow, so this layer should be visible. Adjust the opacity and the distance. Okay, I think it's okay. It is visible now. Now I have to add some circles using the ellipse tool. I selected ellipse tool and select white color on the foreground and add a circle. Rasterize this layer and duplicate with different sizes on this image. Now it's done. You can also change the background color. That's I have placed white color. You can change it to black or red. You can match the theme. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to my channel for these kinds of amazing tutorials.